Hello, this is the SnackSurprise box for June 2021. It arrived today. It is very late. So let's see what is inside. Oh, I think it's New Zealand. It is. It's New Zealand. Okay, so they've got a new bit of tissue paper here. So that's pretty nice. Nice little added thing there. Let's get rid of that. Okay, let's get stuck in. So we have some crisps, Bluebird, Originals, green onion. There's obviously some crinkle cut crisps or chips. So that's cool. Heartland potato chips, salt and vinegar, old-fashioned wave cut chips. By the way, it's crisps, not chips. Cool. Bluebird Cheezels, seriously cheesy. I'm sure I had something similar to this. One of the country's boxes. I can't think what it was. Cool. We've got Arnott's cracker chips, honey soy chicken. Arnott's do the Tim Tams. That's what I know them for. Okay. Chocky fish. Chocky covered raspberry marshmallow fish. Rainbow. I'm pretty sure Cadbury's have their own version as well out there. A Cadbury Moro. Packed full of caramel and nugget, then coated in Cadbury milk chocolate. Oh, wow, okay, so it's similar to the Mars bar then, isn't it? Free charge taste. Cool. Pascal Party Pack. Packed full of favourites. These are quite heavy, these. Okay, cool. Fabulicious Sherbet Fizz. Okay, that's what is it? Okay, just some confectionery. It feels like those licorice straws that have like the fondant filling. Feels like one of them. What have we got here? Fruit Burst Banana. Some little chew. Is this the same brand? Nope. This is Milkshakes Vanilla. Okay. What's this? Pixie Caramel from Nestle. Original. Longer lasting chew. So it's just caramel covered in chocolate, I imagine. Yeah, dark choc covered chewy caramel. It's got some weight to that. I can see another Cadbury's. Perky Nana. Banana flavoured chew bar covered with delicious milk chocolate. Okay, yeah, that sounds good. Pascal pineapple lumps with real fruit juice. Oh, they look nice. The original. Heard of these? That's cool. And we've got another milkshake. Is that vanilla? Ooh. Hokey Pokey Squiggles by Griffin's. These nice biscuits. Crunchy, creamy, hokey pokey flavoured deliciousness. So it looks like possibly some honeycomb type biscuits. I'm guessing. Biscuit topped with hokey pokey flavoured cream. That's what's hokey pokey flavour? Oh, it just says hokey pokey. Okay, they sound fun. Dairy Milk Black Forest. Dairy milk chocolate with cherry flavoured jellies and biscuit pieces. Oh, okay, that sounds cool. Another bluebird. Russians. Cheese and bacon. A cheese and bacon attack. Okay, these are quite funny. Okay. Oh, we've got some more of these fruit bursts. Lemon and lime, I think they're both the same. Got here, Whittaker's the original peanut slab milk chocolate bar. Oh, okay. Okay, cool. Cadbury Buzz. Milk chocolate covered marshmallow and caramel. I like their milk chocolate like marshmallow. That's cool. Is this the last item? Oh no, we've got some more. So what we got? L&P, lemon and Peroa. Good lemony stuff. Famous in New Zealand. Okay. That's cool. I don't know what the other flavour is, but I'm sure it's really nice. Okay, cool. And we've got another milkshake. And another fruit burst banana. And I think that is everything. It is. So that's cool. It's a nice box. That was the premium box for June 2021 of New Zealand.